Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing a review of Itonga that plays on 161 Mzansi Magic. It's 8:30 Monday to Friday. It started playing on the 3rd of March, so I'll be sharing a review from the 3rd of March till the 7th of March 2025. In this top you are being introduced to Sanele Magwaza, who is a principal school teacher who is dating Usine Dladla. We are also being introduced to Banele, itwini lika Sanele. Banele works on site with umalume wakhe. It seems like this position wayishiyelwe ubaba wakhe, so uqhubeka ilegacy kababa wakhe. So we are shown that Usanele has just gotten a tender yama-million. There is Untanzi ubaba kaZama. Untanzi wants a share. He wants 40% of itender le etholwe Usanele. Usanele akayingeni leyo, uyanqaba. They get into a fight la khona ethumele khona ehamba khona nabantu bakhe. Ubanele shoots someone khona lapho, then lavusa khona ulaka lukaNtanzi. We're also shown Usanele eproposa kuSine Dladla ecela ukuthi amshade, uSine avume, and then Usanele aye kubo share the news with his family. Sine also does the same, share the good news with her family, ajabule uma wakhe. On the other side, ubaba wakhe is not happy because usezwile ukuthi uSanele uphuma kumndeni onjani. By umndeni onjani wazi the representation ebekwe uSanele. Ubanele, I mean, yokukhombisa ukuthi uNdlavini uhambelwa nabo bonke abantu, udubula abantu, yonke leyo nto leyo. Ubaba kaSine uDladla doesn't approve the proposal, athi ngeke awamukele lawo malobolo lawo. We're also being shown uPhinda ehamba khona noZama beya e-tuck shop, bahlangane noBanele. uBanele alwe noPhinda. Lokho kumcasule kakhulu futhi uNtanzi ubaba kaZama. Yonke into eyenzakalayo uPhinda uyahamba yotshela umalume wakhe ubaba kaZama about everything that's happening with itwini lika Sanele, which is uBanele, lo ongezwa, who always causing ama-fights. So lifike usuku lamalobolo, the family of Dladla yakaSine prepares for the negotiations la ubaba khona engawa-approve khona. Ufike-ke umndeni wakaMagwaza azame uBanele to talk with ubaba kaSine uDladla, akhulume naye ngenhlonipho, amncenge ukuthi abeze ukuthi bazothina. After isikhathi eside bemile esangweni bebemeza, and lapho babe sebezamile ukuthi bayingenele, uBanele nje wesethi uyalivula igate, waqhamuka uDladla embuza ukuthi ubekwa yini la, ufunani. Akhulume naye ngesizotha. Ubaba kaSine uDladla agcine sebavumelile ukuthi bangene ama-negotiations, aqhubeke hambe kahle izinto phakathi kwaSanele benoSine. In the day naba negotiations kufike uNtanzi emzini wakaMagwaza ezohalalisela uSanele, asho ukuthi indlela into eyenzile, uyindoda, wenza into ekufanele yenziwe. Abongeke uSanele, kufike kuBanele lo baba uNtanzi ubaba kaZama, asho ukuthi-ke uyawumehlisela kancane kule share ayifunile, uzucela u-35%. uBanele angayingeni leyo nto leyo, tell him where to get off. Besaxabana, uBanele was ready to fight, but Sanele comes in and say 35% is okay. So the two brothers, abasazwani, they fight about that. So ukuthi uBanele athi uSanele Hweta's indaba zasesayithini ungena kanjani kuzona, because he's the one who's dealing with indaba zasesayithini. He's the one who works on the tender. He's the one who got this tender, and so on and so on. The fact we see uMakhumalo, the mother of the twins, trying to calm uBanele down, telling him to be his brother's keeper, telling him to listen to his brother, because he is the one who thinks before making decision. Yena uBanele doesn't think before he makes decision. He just take decision even if it's drastical. So seems like Banele listened to his mother. Aye brother wakhe uSanele and apologize babuyisane. On that, uSanele advised uBanele to take a wife. So we see uBanele proposing to Zama. Kuleyo nto ke uZama esaproposiwe, ubaba kaZama uNtanzi finds out, uphinda tells him that uZama spend ubusuku with Banele at the hotel. Tanzi adinwe and gets abafana bakhe to kill uBanele. Sibona uZama and Banele besemotweni bekhuluma befunga ukuthi till that was by a party. uZama, we see Zama being anxious ukuthi how is he gonna share the news to his father that he is getting married to uBanele. When Zama get home, he looks for his father because he's about to get married to uBanele. At that moment, it's too late because ubaba wakhe usekhiphile abantu abazodubula uBanele. Banele was on endleleni to inform or tell or share news with his brother uSanele that useproposile kuZama bazoshada esendleleni eThekwini. Esendleleni eThekwini kanjalo amiswe imoto zikaNtanzi. They shot him. Siyambona ewaphansi. By the time he was shot on the chest, his twin brother Sanele also feel the pain. We see both of them lying down at the same time. Ngesikhathi kudutshulwa uBanele. This shows us how twins are connected, how okwenziwa elinye twin affects the other twin, how behavior kaBanele affects impilo kaSanele. And we siyabona ukuthi if kulimala uBanele, Sanele also gets hurt, yabo basikhombisa. So I've seen the comments. My viewers on Facebook, bathi Banele is gonna die. I wonder if it's true. Yathusa. And ba comment abathi iThonga is about that. uBanele uzobe iThonga laSanele uzophila phakathi kuka Sanele. Maybe we're gonna see uSanele behave njengoBanele as time goes on, which is gonna be very difficult for abantu abasondelene noSanele to adapt or watch, especially uSneek, because wazi uSanele soft, amazi uSanele uphuma silwe, who just take a decision without thinking, because we were told that Sanele thinks before taking decisions. Avele nje athatha isinqumo kanjalo sekenzeka leyo nto uyacabanga izinto kahle, baba izinto ezithuhlukene kahle. So I'm excited to watch. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.